Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by verifying prerequisites and starting the update right away. First, free at least 500 MB to 1 GB so the installer can unpack files. Once done, make sure you're on stable Wi-Fi and your battery is above 50% to avoid interruptions. Then open the Play Store or App Store, search Mobile Legends, and tap Update. You're initiating downloads now. The store will fetch the patch files and prepare them for installation while you monitor progress. You continue by managing the download and installation steps carefully. As files stream in, watch the progress and use pause or resume if Wi-Fi fluctuates. This prevents corrupted downloads. Next, grant any requested permissions and accept patch dialogues so the installer can modify game data. The client installs core files first, then fetches optional resource packs like skins or audio. Let each stage finish before launching. If prompted, restart the app to finalize file integration and apply new assets. You finish by finalizing the update and confirming everything runs. Open Mobile Legends and allow the in-game updater to optimize assets and download match data. This can take additional minutes. Once loaded, sign in and check the version in settings to confirm success. If the update fails, clear app cache and storage, then retry. If problems persist, reinstall the app after backing up account data. One key troubleshooting tip: verify network stability and switch Wi-Fi bands or use a hotspot if downloads repeatedly fail.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.